It's your girl Skyla, and we're back with another video. As always, we're starting off with the base, and that is the P. Louise Rumor 2 base. Y'all know when I do this base, we're doing a natural look, so let's get it. So right here I'm hopping into my James Charles palette by Morphe, and I'm taking those 3 shades and I'm going to create my nude look with this palette right here. I'm only using this palette, okay? So yeah. We are at the 2-minute mark in the video, so apparently you like what you see, so I want you to hit that red button along with the bell so you can become part of the notification game. My favorite liner by Essence, it is the Super Last Matte Liquid Eyeliner. That's what I'm using today. By the way, I don't know who told Ulta to discontinue it, but I ordered backups from offline. Thank you. Back, and the face is beat to the gods, and because I wanted a pop of color, I'm going to take that forest green and add it to my lower lash line and smudge it out. That is a nude liner from Essence that I had picked up from Ulta. Also by Essence, that is my lash primer, Fenty mascara, y'all already know, and the lashes are from the beauty supply store because I can't wear those 25mm lashes. So until y'all start selling some regular lashes, beauty supply store lashes, it is Fenty mascara on the lower lash line, period. Juvia's Place blush palette. But no, for real, y'all really need to start selling some regular lashes for the regular girls that can't wear the 25mm lashes. But anyway, Makeup Revolution's highlighter. I used these before, and now it is into the lips. The Ruby Kiss brown lip liner. Y'all already know it is going to be a nude lip. Nude eyes deserve a nude lip. Okay. Ruby Kiss, beauty supply store, one $1. DN Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is one of their matte lipsticks. I love their lipsticks. You can find them on Instagram. The liner is doing touch-ups and everything else, but as always, I got to have a gloss, and that is a Morphe's gloss. I believe is First Base. That is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!